Mayemo achibie mu akwa Adom TV Badwam dwumade so na ye na ni te kote guase ni nkranhye nsem a ene so ode abreye de adu so no ye Badwam kase ensam no ne todwa wo mu bi a wo beti ne enra nwumre eye malata mpotamo ho enfram agya gas yi binti enam so adankra hodo ben 9 de ahye ye de ho nsem no ebebro yebekwa amanyo nsemu na Franka Tuni de mandisi amanyo ko John Dramani Mahama se mampani abedi akire a woye Franka Tuni my MPP amanyo ko no sheda sa da wonmo launch won manifesto na de chie ana se da no ono so ene sentrefu hia na so ne trimopo no amem eno ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 Uko YouTube I will search here Adom TV Tube yo ho kwa adomonline.com sansemi ne nsema hodo bebre so egu ho medidi afia amankwa tamaklo faseda emma majoy trish one more tade fefe papa yin so baako ede hyemin to patade bia for program bia majoy trish one more ebenya bia ma ko Instagram majoy trish ombenya bi afia ne de mientie sede nsem chemu etie Enra ayare hosam na asie e wo malata bra obi eno na duane from agagasa wo de aye aduane no obi nim se leakage bi nam ho anasa de ene pagya adankura hodo nan eja to machine adrebe Adom kase etwaso
Adom kase ya be piemu e wo malata eben edwa no achi ho pe abrosan eto aso mienu ena agahwenhwen bi atomu ahye adankura makomako enan Odumja adwuma yekuo no so ekire mu se
yeduru anom so less than 30 minutes near the jano about under control. I just say we were able to prevent any casualty of a sort. 4 rooms were salvaged. Rooms there for no more ejano anka. But the message say Nima Mamobi Newtown Malata you deserve a fire station.
Omanfo nso so ayebeto omo wa hanom no. Omo nsem sei e na omo de tu dwa.
Ye ma soro o hye ne say na ma me bi ye adwane. Ejane so oye no nim say more times gas leak here or say unko eden unko fix ni ade ye ma me no omo fix say problem ba omo hyenye ade omo nim say oh chale ochina ana bibisa me niska won vibe no nti ma me no na gas ni leak oba be soft manches no e na ye explode here nti ma me no ko pia boti ne ke no dwane here nti me gira down ho e na ye de hamani bibia tutu na ma me nti me pie free down mu ba
within some 5 minutes we start here no anum na eden dark unhushi bebia dark awo ye de unhushi
ye wodam na ye say bbc nti ye bia ye me say 5 o'clock pepepe ye be bia ba ye no e na ye kosoro akọhwe ti ye kọhwe ye no na efie bi na esi nti ye ba ye no na ahanyi na ayedum obi ani wa obetimi aye bibia. So because you see ensure ni wa ya tum so be say 3 days ya ni nsuo obi aso ni obeboa so ma fire service omu che ye bom na so ma ya ade omu ya ade pa because anyo omu a
Franka Tuni de mandisi amanyoko ya John Dramani Mahama na enei odibia mane mampani abadi akire ye Dr. Mahmoud Baumio ye Franka Tuni de ma MPP amanyoko so washeda se ada MP NDC amanyoko pa one more manifesto hontuman so adechinye washeda ne nsentwofo ehia ne timu pono na adwini nti oyesa no mampani abadi akire ye kane mampani ya wo ye Franka Tuni de mandisi sesa entirimo pono amem the intention for
doing that media encounter the next day after we had announced our manifesto was to turn the attentions of Ghanaian from the NDC manifesto. That was the main reason that they decided to do a media encounter the very next day after we launched our manifesto. But you see, when you do something with devious intention, it backfires on you. When you do something with devious intention, it backfires on you. You know how to tell when somebody is lying. If there are people who are smooth talkers, who can speak rat-tat-tat-tat like machine gun, the time when they become stammerers and they start stammering, you know they are lying.
John Dramani Mahama kasa ye mu no wachire mu se adwene mu po a eta MPP amanyoko no achi ya bra wonom eda wonom ani so ade hunu enkrata wie ya ade echen ya pe wonom so ene nsem trofo ko ye nhia mu no eye bone ya enya ade se be ye adwuma
ni the person started stammering. And you can't tell the head or tail. The fundamentals are weak. And then he went logoligi, 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 logoligi. And so you must do things with truthful intention. And the basic principle of leadership is truth and honesty. If you want to be a good leader, you must be truthful and honest to your people.
MPP amanyokuo no se yeboa ye ho akoto aba da ye to aba ne ato awie no wo mbehwe se asumdue boa de ebedi akotene wo MPP amanyokuo achidifo no nyina entem ene National Peace Council mpanufo ene ne MPP mpanufo hie di nkomo ena sansemi beto dwa won chochro ni ora Justin Kodua from Pon edinsemi etudwa
esa sutum echitafo se nyankopon charge ye nya candidate woni wonimdi a onim do person ye more man no one na say bonu de ru one na say ye ton na Ghana for tiase the last 8 years adwuma ya ekwan ya yi schools ya si hospitals ya ene no mapa ye more man no ye mbo hu de ru say be nyantokwa ene didi atem ene kasa twitwiri na mogidie say si egina saade oso ne ye ton era Badwam me Ghana for so ni mo dem pom sa fan to mo say elections ne yeko election no na me ne sihire me de empaibo amabo na yakopon ma ye candidate edi nkunim nempo sa anye yokura de beti bia de beji atum se be ya Ghana asundue no ebeto aso akoso.
Enwechi, Deputy Director in charge of Conflict Management and Resolution at National Peace Council, Frank Rosenboja, and Soka the Peace to say.
Bibi omaka ende bia no yebedi hu dwuma amawo na yatiefi omho se omode ombe supporti bibia edi asumdwe beba na mmom senia omoka so se party bi ana omankasa mpo so bi kokasa na se kasa no enye de na sa kasa no de ohaw beba edentokwa beba obruni se yan condemn sa ade no enti yan so yeti om advice the omoka no enye different from ye call NDC ho the omso mokan enti ye hu se party mienu no nia na other stakeholders ni nia e ka se so bi ye bibia e di oha beba oman mu a Peace Council ye ngina ane ye condemn
mesa sutum
Franka Tuni Abedia Chairman MPP Abanyoko Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe se kanema mpani John Dramani Mahama Franka Tuni de mandisi Abanyoko na ni abrepe petumi ntino eniema kanema mpani John Evans Atamils ye no no de bono ho safo hene so wono na oyeye no so nsama etujeni
Prempe egusua ebontoa ewa asante mantem na wodenento abonu ekopie mu ewo mpaseti a ye wo atwemampo noa abato mpeso yaso na won nananom ahemfo imamfo asofo ene manfo ne kodi yehia ene pa MPP amanyuko ne wono wode koto wonum wanim bra wonum bodwa data ya na Dr. Matthew Puku Prempe ekasa wase no ene wodi tuja se
President Kufo everybody feel okay wa and to President Mills. Yame Obian Kadi Yami Obina and then the father corner. And Nabadi President Mahama open to President Mills. I'm said to me already. Open Ghana records. President Mahama can't say President Mills who are next year Ghana and be on the year. I just want to say that Mrs. K. Tell me no Vice President. The spokesperson of the country said, President Nelson man and President Mahama issue a year and a party ban on command.
NDC Franka Tuni John Dramani Mahama said baby omaya kwa kodro no ye hia ye peje mu ana ye sakremu nemum ono esusu se wose ye niema eyie na de obetumi aye niema yie no ono John Dramani Mahama ne NDC amanyukuo enti de Franka Tuni edema MPP eka wo ye mampani abede akire no Ghana fo nyi no entum nemum yenyi wo mfura didie so na NDC metna so for mine no enkonkan.
Our attitudes, everything is frozen. And so we need to do a reset. And as I've always said, NDC is the nation builder. NDC comes and provides light for people. NDC comes, provides water for people. NDC comes, builds schools for our children. NDC comes, provides health facilities for our people. It is NDC that comes and does our roads. We are the nation builder, and we're going to come and continue the work we're doing. We were asphalting the road from Adom Junction to town.
John Dramani Mahama abo abanye tisu esobo se ompeso obeji atumu se omensi kasem ato ape.
And the unfortunate thing about the MPP administration is they do not even know that the Ghanaian economy is sick. Because every day they tell us, oh, Ghana has never done so well. We all should be happy. We should clap for them. So they can't even tell that the economy is in emergency care. Because it's when you know that the economy is in the ditch that you can come out with the strategies to get the economy out. At the manifesto launch, we detailed our plan for resetting Ghana. And we're going to reset Ghana. We're going to reset our economy. We're going to reset our governance.
Ghana National Association of Teachers say not pay and some anu year free MPP abino won boshe bi a won mo share ya woni so obema adankra 10,000 housing unit ye dey teacher for no bepem sa bre sa boshe no won mo ehunu ya edan sie no bebi egina enigina won chocho ni ora Thomas Musa ene ebisebisa nsemi.
The other one na omo boss. And I say, Yanti whom be brave, the issue of the housing, housing, Osha housing, a seminar, the free 20 from bra or buying bars, Osha budget, first budget, and paragraph, I think 589 and 589 page 105. And all of them say they would engage the teacher unions to get it done. That doesn't happen. Then saying, yeah, me kai omanpenyi, tank bibin efa say, see 10,000 houses are my teachers. All these things, women na nti ekobade sana adwinga kra because obi a we dwumani bia ne ohwe nim say at the end of the day obi to me anya baby a obekọ akoda obenya baby a obekọ akoda nti se wa anya ne sana na akwakofa hunsunsu aso no enya ade bia betumi aboa obi a nti no ya ade bia ye hwe nim say enya ka no kwa the issue of the housing so say hwe ni ye ma chechirefo.
Adom TV Badwam kase na uguso hwe no na speaker ora abanbaben se nyame Adom na mrahwebedwafo ye fra wo mo so wo mra setena ye September bosome de to so me ensano a eye the Adom Accra International Conference Center ho ene wo mo ebetena se nyina no ye nsiesi adwuma ya ekoso wo nei Parliament House no emunsemni
Mongrate bia ebeto dwa August bosome da na to studio no so wa fimpenu na duno nan ni mu a na mrahwebedwafie chiame Alban Bagbin ensa ehwase no wo kire mu ese ena mateke 112 ye no wa mamra ne mu ye no kire fefe se mrahwebedwafie chiame ewo hotumi so ba kire ba bia mrahwebedwafo betumi ahia no aye record no ndom ye no wo International Conference Center ena wayi na September bosome de tosom yensa afimpenu na duno nan ni mu no ewo se mrahwebedwani bia de nani ekire ho no na de enti a anya mrahwebedwafie nyina ene se nsiesi ekoso o mrahwebedwafie se de ya ebetwa fimpinu na de no nom ne modie mrahwebedwafo because se fie ne mo no bibia be kama na sensiesi se mrahwebedwafie chiame ekire de ya eka wo bo ho nko ano 2.26 million euros ya bibia o mrahwebedwafie eka ho bi
Enfidie ya Konfanoche Teaching Hospital oncology department wono mo ehia na won tumi de ahwe kokoramu nyarwa hodo no ene yakoka port nyina ne se duty nti sebe ombe ye nti akoka ho emunsem eni
hayo 5 your friend is saying TV theaters anywhere. Into here 5 anesthesia machines. Into 6 normally abana the Bako eye center. And a 5 na can ye baha. Beds and then kika huni na yama. Ye head must say about bedru. Because all your civil work we na necessary and name on here somebody be operation na ma meka ho. Na jumana and we pay. They toss me ART center infertility center, so to speak. And also initially we had some challenges with a friend is a contractor no yeah, councils are contracting the ama and perform and also machines need because see wa
nka say so na oche say abusumi siani a ofira se esesi konfonoche abaya sabia ewo hi konfonoche project no emu no aka ho bi ama empuntu aba oto aso kire mu se esoro no ana enyu no nyina ewo mu se onwie adwumadie ne de nanso ni nyina agyan
se enka ne nkinsuo to a busumi na wotwe nu achi okọ D5 any words na was wrong pa na nsuo gusu to enso nsuo na agyan wa bonten enam se na there were major leakages ewo roofing no ene nsuo to no matter how heavy the downpour is okwa sani mani nyina a thing of the past minimum nyina so kokohwe A4 A5 ya nhwe A3 dia enso sumu hu how advanced
Menyo no sona Adom TV Badwam kase na hana bema kwan na no pay e de asie adwumadie no eto so yetwe ho ba sima mienu ya ba ye ba se de bonkrata no e de ba no pay any online de adaromede bro hwen sisi a ye nche ye kwaba